There we go. Did I just like jump over the railing there, or? Tokyo Drift in Hong Kong. Or Pyongyang, or whatever the hell I am. Shanghai. Let me guess. Yep. Gotta enter into that other little area right there. Let's go up. Turn around. And then go in. Boosh! Got it. Out of the breast. Also, Joe. Oh, God damn, I'm calling him Joe now. DC has raised the. I'm not gonna cut that. I don't even care. I just don't want to cut extra stuff anymore. Yeah, DC has raised concern that I called him a pre-sexual pedophile, and that was a lie. He's just a misogynistic asshole who beats women all the time. That's also a lie, but he's gonna have to choose between which he wants more. I just want to beat these guys up because I can. Oh, right. It's not that button. It's this button. Assassin's Creed power, engage. Did you just yell Dio at me? So does that make me Joe? Oh, I guess I'm Dio, so he's Jojo. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Boosh. Oh wait, that is a taxi. Why am I not like? Why was I looking at that and ignoring it completely? Yay! I got in it again. Wee. I met her in a club on an old saw. Ah! Yeah. Oh wait. Whoa, what's this? Drug bust, you say?
And then her little sister asked me if I would.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Counter time. Engage. Come on. Oh, I pressed it too soon. Of course, they do choreograph their attacks pretty well, so that's usually not a problem. Oh, oh. Cool off with that air conditioner. Pretty sure it's an air conditioner, so cool off does apply. No, you don't. I'm not on any drugs, ma'am. I'm Wei Shen, Dr. Cop lawyer. Like Val Kilmer. Anyone? Yeah. It's about time for other guys to show up.
Watch where you go!
Oh, oh, oh. Hey! Hey! No, you know what? Fine. You don't want me to say shocking, then I'll just beat you to death the old-fashioned way. With my fist. Do I care who you are? I'm Wei Shen. Player-controlled character. Yeah. Fine. No, I'm just gonna say it like this then. Yeah, that sounded fun, wasn't it? Yeah. No, it was serious. No. Come on, guys. What are you doing?
兄弟，喐佢！
I'm not trying to kill him. I'm just sitting here pressing triangle.
對我劈佢啊！取佢啊！一刀劈佢啊！兄弟，
Time to end this.
打到你爆光，插咗佢啊！
And it's ended.
會放仆街，我而家點做啊？喂，冷靜啲，冷靜啲，你知唔知你做咗啲乜嘢啊？唔撚係啊嘛？點會咁㗎？仆街，我而家點做啊？
Bitch. Okay, hack the camera.
You drive like you're blind.
Maybe it's because I can't see because I'm blind, dick. Like in that movie, Scent of a Woman. Why'd you hack that thing with that Hong Kong police thing? Wait, don't worry. Wow. That was quick. Okay, before I do that though, I'm gonna quickly... Oh, there's a sword chick statue around here. Is it up here? Not. Oh, I gotta go around. Whoa. Oh, okay, I just started the mission. That cab is weird.
Are you serious?
Oh, there we go.
Wait, get down here.
Jesus, Ricky, what's happening?
It's the 18K. They're all over the damn place. They're trying to kill
Oh, that was dickhole.
Shit.
It's in a hospital too. I should quickly run home and put on my uniform. Oh, I was really hoping I could take that cab. I don't have to walk. I choose to walk, bitch. Come on. Come on. Try to run this mission cleanly. If Uncle Poe dies in the time it takes me to get to the hospital... Damn it, never mind, you son of a bitch. There's a lot of cops right there. Just because I can. Because he's a dick. Yeah, I'll make it. Now it's just like a straight line there, so... That's how I do it.
Where the fuck is Uncle Paul?
I don't know.
Where the fuck is Uncle
Jesus
Paul?
Christ.
He's over there.
Oh, I expected him to just be walking around. Okay, one sec. Just do something quickly and... Nope. Do not CC that to anyone. Cancel. Send. Good. Resume.
Who's that asshole? You look son on me. Hey, ugly. Tell me what...
Okay, I didn't do that right. I think I'm supposed to sneak up behind him and get a gun. Okay.
Who's that asshole? You look son on me. Hey, ugly. Tell me where Poe is before I shoot your face off.
You're gonna shoot my face off? For some reason, I just don't see that happening.
Oh, now you can open doors. How about you? Can you open doors yet? I love glitches like that. How do I turn this light on? There we go. Just give me more ammo. Ooh, hey, cola. Dragon kick. There's those moments where it's like stops and he just like puts his arm, like that scene from World War Z. That's what that is. And he just like sits there and takes a long, refreshing drink from a nondescript Pepsi can.
Hey, check out that guy. He looks like one of them.
我喐佢，
到下做得好心，放過我啦！
開始。
You might want to get out of the way, miss.
我覺得你搞錯咗喎。
弊啦！
頂佢啊！
Yeah, that's a person.
睇住你啊！你唔做我哋嘅。
Don't worry, man. I got you.
係咁啦，係啊！做低佢啦！
Oh, you're lucky.
你老味啊！
Or not. You alright, ma'am?
係我唔好，求下你留住我條命仔啦！
Don't worry. I'm an undercover cop. Wei Shen,
求
undercover.
下你放過我啦！
Down the corridor now.
I really don't like you guys. I'm just gonna do this. Man, it's... That was a sneeze. The aiming mechanics of this are
求下
garbage.
你放過我
Like, they
啦！
could, of course, be better, but... They're good enough.
同我收佢未？好啦。
That was all me. I like how you get demoted for being clumsy. Like, hey, Wei, saw how you screwed up and tripped over that little desk there. He's a bitch. Mash triangle. Alright, so aim for the bright dot.
做嘢，唔使講嘢。
And... Hey, wait, what's that?
驗命搶啊你！收我皮！你夠我衝啊！
There we go, that's a headshot. How about you?
點解唔打？
Okay. Well, those guys are dead. They really are just a bag of dicks, these 18K guys. I mean, I don't think Sun On Yee would ever attack a hospital.
Whoa, whoa, easy, easy. 18K shut off the power.
Uncle Po is on life support. If we don't get backup power running right away, he won't make it.
Okay, look, there's
I'll
a
go
control
do that.
station down the hall. I'm on it.
Well, I'm also an electric engineer,
These guys are beginning to annoy
dark
me.
cop lawyer.
Can we lock this place up?
I'll take care of it.
I got you covered.
Do you really though?
打開！點解開片啊？影到都冇咁。隻抽啦，咁撚多爹。
Don't take cover now. There we go.
佢都唔講口嘅，要趕就趕手。
Alrighty. Damn it! They're watching and they're making fun of me.
Let me go. I don't want this.
You should really, like, console her. Like, say, hey, look, I'm just here to make sure the power gets back on all these people who are dying, who don't deserve to die. 3 and 1. Okay. So we'll go 1, 4, and 5. Okay, so 1, 4, and 6, I guess. There we go.
All right. I'm coming back.
Wait, give me a hand.
No! Do it yourself, bitch.
Check cái đó mẹ, check cái bông cay à. Bỏ cái gì à? Bại cái ta đó. Nè, đá cho cái.
Man, I'm a really good shot for being a cop now.
Dục khỏi à.
Don't take cover.
Kẹp dưới à.
Got him. I'm a
More of
cop.
them! Over here! I got you covered!
Yeah, I'm just taking ammo. God damn it! Okay, seriously, dude, stay down.
Dục khỏi. Mày tí này. Đá vào cái đầu.
They're coming in behind us!
This is most unpleasant. Okay, dude, take cover. You know, the number of bullets doesn't determine your rank,
Cho cái
right?
châm xịt luôn luôn. Thấy là tao kia.
Ha! Clothesline bullet to the head. This is essentially the end of Last of Us. Peek up. Dude, come on.
Not done yet!
Get out of the way, dickhole!
It's clear, come on!
Yeah, now, after we slaughtered half an army.
I think we're clear. That was close. Nice work.
No, man. We just got lucky.
Who's our backup? I mean, who's looking out for us?
Fuck. No one ever looks out for you in this town.
Oh, wow, that man.
I don't know, man.
Wow. I don't know
Feels
about
like
that,
the
man.
game has changed. Used to be a brotherhood. There was a code. Even amongst rival triads. Now we're killing each other at weddings. Even in a fucking hospital. And for what? Shit. Let's get out of here.
No, it's fine. We'll just hang around. I'm a cop. I'll use my cop
More
abilities.
cops.
Kiddo, 唔好喐。
Stop! Don't move! What are they doing? Ah. Okay, escape the police.
There's a lot of them.
I'm beginning to dislike the police.
What the fuck are you doing?
I like that. I use the rush ram ability and he's like, what are you doing? Stop it. Okay. This is a nice car. I should steal one or buy one or whatever. Come on.
Ah, fuck.
Yeah, I'm not getting a lot for this one. If I get to the highway, I should be able to do that. But the highway is quite a while away, and I'm about to take a wrong turn. Oh, hitting those doesn't count against property damage. Alrighty. I am mental.
I think we're... What the fuck are you doing?
I love that.
I'm glad you showed up, Wei.
I appreciate you calling me. So what's next?
It's up to Uncle Po. But I'm guessing war.
Yeah, but against who? Those guys were 18K, and I'm starting to wonder. A lot of people stand to benefit if Uncle Po never leaves the hospital.
He might walk out of there alive.
I hope so. You know, but Dog Eyes is gone, and this shit keeps happening. Might be that someone is pulling strings, trying for a move that lands him in control of the Triad.
The 18K are getting out of hand.
Like Big Smile Lee or...
We have to send them a message.
Damn straight.
Chiang. I actually wonder who it is. I noticed his nephew because his nephew just appeared in the game, pretty much, so...
Look, I'll drop you here. Cops
There you
might be
go.
watching the place. Hey, Ricky, keep it tight. There aren't that many decent guys left in this gang.
All right. See you. Bye.
Oh, by the way, I put a bomb in the car. She didn't help, bitch. What? No. Oh, look at that. Almost level 6. Ricky Wong. You go home? Go home to have a nap now? I do like how it shows all the people who witness stuff when you like do a little crash and that. Sorry. One sec. You guys showed me in that fight. I mean, you guys are really tough. Sorry about that.
Look at me, okay? I'm not worth it.
I just want my car. Wow. Look at him. Split personality guy here.
You go enjoy yourself.
You go enjoy yourself. Hey, didn't you just pull a gun on me? Oh, that was another guy. No way. Sorry. How's my house? Oh, there it is. I'm behind it. Damn it. There we go. And... there we go. I'm at home. Laws? What laws? I don't know what you're talking about. Laws? Use the surveillance system. Wang Fu Park. Use a Fu Wang. I'm feeling it's him. The guy walking in circles. I was wondering where they were coming from. Yay, I stopped another criminal. I'm the beast.
We got them!
Ah! There's a big yawn. Yeah, that's what I got. Upgrades! Yeah. Sure. And there's police truck key. Boosh. Okay, time to have my guy. No, I'm gonna switch clothes actually. Oh, that's the one. The Bongak. Perfect when you've got a village to save. I wonder what movie this is based after. I'm gonna roll with this though. Cause that's intimidating. Seriously, if a guy came at me wearing this and was like, looked like he was ripped and toned, probably wouldn't get in his way. I'm a big guy and I wouldn't get in his way. That's telling you something. You're not asleep like a slob. Don't bother closing your eyes, you slob.
Say, Jinyan, I went by Bam Bam Club looking for you. Who's Tiffany? You rat! You cheating pig! I can't believe I ever fell for you! I can't believe I let you do all those things! I will never forgive you. Never! Just don't even try. Just don't even bother. Okay? Okay, call me.